Everyone, hope so everyone is having a very wonderful day. So I just thought of creating a video about that highlights and gives you a rough idea about what are the requirements for a particular course, or for example if you want to take a degree in US, be it a master's degree or be it a bachelor's degree. What is the basic minimum requirement in terms of scores? And if you want a GRE or if you want to get a TOEFL and all those things. So what I have done over here is I have taken a university to set as a benchmark. Over here what I have taken is the minimum requirements of Rochester Institute of Technology, RIT's requirements that they have actually used for fall 2020 applications. So below given in the description is an Excel sheet that plots out for different course what are the minimum basic requirements that you need to meet in order to apply to an RIT or to RIT university. The reason why I have taken RIT university is it's one of the universities that comes under US top 50 colleges in the entire United States. So it's not a really high level university and not a really low level university. It's a mid level university, and you will have a good idea about if you are able to cross this threshold. So you would definitely have a good probability to get into one of the universities. So that is the reason why I choose RIT. And if you go down to the Excel sheet, search for the requirements or search for a course and then check for the requirements, whether you require GRE, whether you require TOEFL, and what are the basic requirements needed for each of these courses. It took a lot of effort to put this data together, so please guys, make use of it. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, because more and more exciting videos are gonna come in this channel, especially great interviews, really fun interactive sessions. So please be connected so that you don't miss any of this.
So let's go to the Excel sheet that I was just talking about. So this is the Excel sheet that I have attached in the video description. The reason why I did this is technically I got a lot of Instagram DMs stating that, hey, are there universities or are there any programs that we can do to come over to US that does not require any GRE or any TOEFL or IELTS? So that's what the biggest question, or the question that I'm going to answer over here by this video. So if you look down over here, there are different types of courses that I have actually put in column A. And first let me just walk you through what all are the different columns over here, so that would actually provide you a basic detail or basic idea about how to navigate through this Excel sheet. Just as I mentioned, column A consists of all the degree programs that the university offers. Column B consists of what's the type of or the category of the program, whether there is an on-campus or whether it's an online only program, or it's a combination of online and on-campus type of a program. And right now, you know guys, it's COVID time, it's COVID-19 time, so it's something trending right now. Like most of the classes are going online nowadays. And then column C consists of the application deadline, that provides you a rough idea when the universities actually close the application timelines. And then coming to column D, that actually provides you a rough idea of when that particular program is being offered, or which time of the year is that particular program available. Fall semester or the fall semester starts during the month of August, and spring starts during January. And this column is one of the important sections that provides you a rough idea what is the basic criteria or what is the basic requirement needed for a particular course. For example, whether Gmat is needed or GRE is needed, and then followed by column F, that provides you the minimum requirement for the TOEFL score, like what's the minimum requirement or TOEFL score that you need in order to get into that specific program, and this is specifically for RIT. And then IELTS, the minimum IELTS requirements are being considered in column G, and then followed by H. So this is also an English, what do you say, it's also an English requirement, PTE academics. This is similar to TOEFL and IELTS. So column F, G and H, you just need to do any one of it, any one of these entrance examinations, not all these three. So you can either do TOEFL or IELTS or PTE, and then followed by I. So this signifies whether that particular course is a STEM program or non-STEM. So why I have kept this column is because nowadays, like those who have are doing STEM majors, they get a total period of 3 years to actually work under OPT. So OPT is called optional practical training. So this is a period that comes under, like when you actually after graduation you need to work over here in US. So so if your program is STEM designated, that means you have a validity of 3 years to actually work in US after you graduate. So this includes 1 year of STEM and 2 years of STEM OPT extension. But for non-STEM programs, there is only 1 year of OPT, and 1 year is the period that you can work after graduation in US. So yeah, let's go and just do a general search just to see what all engineering degrees have captured. So if you see over here, computer, where was that engineering? So yeah, let's search for engineering. Okay, so this computer science engineering, and this, so computer science is only offered on campus, and this is right now rolling. That means they are actually seeking the application for fall semester 2020, and this is the information that I took on May of 15th, and then followed by this program is offered in fall and spring, and GRE is the required criteria, or you need the GRE score in order to apply for this particular program. And the TOEFL score or the TOEFL minimum requirement is 79, and IELTS minimum score band is 6.5, and PTE score is 58. And if you see STEM designated, this comes under a STEM program, so that means you are eligible for 3 years of permit or work after your graduation. Okay, now let's just go to another engineering. So electrical engineering, these all engineering programs are all the same. So let's go to an MBA and see. Okay, MBA. So this is an on-campus, as you can see. It's an on-campus, and then followed by the application deadline is actually going on. And if you look over here, STEM designated, that's it's actually no, because that's MBA comes under a non-STEM program, and like you can only work for a year under OPT after you graduate or after you do an MBA program. So the minimum requirement for the MBA is 92, and IELTS is 7. So yeah, that's pretty much. And now let's go to the main content of this video, the entrance examination. So just as I said, there are many courses that do not require GRE or Gmat. So let's just go and see what are those courses. So these are all the courses that do not require any GRE or Gmat courses or any scores for that. So this includes accounting and financial analytics, some certification program, applied and computational mathematics. That's also an MS program. Okay, then color science. There are a lot of courses, right? Engineering psychology. Okay, nice. Probably engineers might need some of these things in future. Film and animation. That's also a good program. Furniture design. Wow, that's quite and exciting. I haven't heard about that one before. Glass MFA. That's also a new program. Human resource, hospitality and tourist management. Okay, that's also nice. Industrial design, Lean Six Sigma advertisement certification program, medical illustration MFA, metal and jewelry design program. Okay, something interesting programs. Photography and related media MFA. School psychology, vibration, workplace learning. So yeah, that's pretty much, guys. So you just need to make sure that what's your interested idea, or what type of a course is striking with you, or what type of a course you want to do. So yeah, hope this video helps you out. And if you guys need any help, or if you guys need any sort of, hope this video helps you all. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, have a good one. Bye.